So you're thinking of doing a live broadcast and you'd like to share your screen and you're thinking, how do I do this? Well, there are 3 ways to do this easily with BeLive. Hi, my name's Karen. I'm the host of Thriving Talk, and today I'm going to walk you through the 3 ways you can do this. Let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to bring up my entire desktop so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to see a screen within a screen, so it's a little hard on the eyes, but it's necessary. So let's take a look. So you can see I have a Chrome tab open just up here, and I have a different window application way over there. And you can also see a little bit that I have some icons in the background on my desktop. Okay, so this is my entire screen. You can see the big BeLive application in the middle with the screen within a screen within a screen. At the bottom, you can see my staging area. On the right, you'll see the items waiting to go into the screen, and you can see the items that are on the screen right now. Okay, so to do this, what you need to do is go up to the screens on the top left. You click that. You click entire screens, then you actually click on it, and then you push share. And when you do that, it will actually go down into this staging area. And when you're ready to bring it onto your screen, you push show in stream, and it'll show up right here, ready to go. So that's one way you can share your screen using BeLive. Okay, I'm going to show you a second way. And I'm going to leave this entire screen up just to show you how to do it. So let's go back over to the screen option. And then you're going to click window. So this allows you to open up any window that you have on your desktop. So I have my entire screen. I have a YouTube in Chrome, and I have my Facebook in Safari. So I am going to select that, and I'm going to click share. It shows in my staging area, and I move it to the stream. Okay, so I'm going to remove the entire desktop there. And now we have different ways we can display this as well. So depending on what you're trying to do with showing the screen, there's different ways you can do that. Okay, so if you move your mouse over to the actual window and start playing with that window, you can actually start moving things around and showing people specific things in that window. Okay, so now let's go to the third way you can share your screen with BeLive. So I'm going to bring up the entire screen again. I'm going to hide that Facebook window, and I'm going to go over to the screen option, and I'm going to open the Chrome tab. Okay, so when I do this, it'll show all the different tabs I have open in Chrome. So I have 2 BeLive ones, but I also have YouTube. I have my YouTube channel right there. I'm going to click share, and it now goes down into my staging area. Now, before I bring it up into the screen, I want to make sure that you see these options right here, right above the staging area. This is how I can display the different screens. So depending on how many screens you have up, will show different arrangements, but that's kind of neat. That's kind of fun. Okay, so let's bring up the Chrome tab. Okay, and just for right now, I'm going to hide the entire desktop, and I'm going to go down to the bottom here so you can see this is the Chrome tab of my YouTube channel. So now if I move my mouse over to the actual tab, then I can play with it and it will show what I'm doing with it on the actual broadcast. Okay, so what I would actually suggest is having your Chrome tab move to the side so that you have two different windows. So if you can see here, I have my Chrome tab over here. So I click over here and I just move it as I need. Instead of keeping it at the top up here, I suggest you grab this and drag it to the side and have a different place to play with that so that you can have an eye on that tab as well as your broadcast at the same time. So I hope this has helped you understand how you can share your screen with BeLive. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments or by subscribing or by giving a thumbs up. Also, if there are other things about BeLive that you would like to learn about, let me know and I can show you how to do that. I do have other tutorials about BeLive in this series, so be sure to check those out on my YouTube channel. Well, thank you for watching Thriving Talk today. Till next time.